If you're interested in this look that I have going on, stay tuned. Baby, we done got another package sent and it is full of goodies. So I have a few things in the goodie box and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little tutorial on these nails. I really am enjoying doing my own nails, and let me tell you, it's been cost effective. I can at least let you know I have saved a lot of money just by doing my own nails. And for $5 it stays on for 2 weeks. Yes, it's everything. And by now you should know red is like my favorite color. So let's get into this wig, baby. Trissa. It is a center part wig, but as you know, I really don't do center parts, so you know I'm going to go ahead and shift it over. The color that this model has on is beautiful. I also have this color, but today we are doing the Burgundy Wig color. But it's a beautiful curl pattern. It's definitely long. I would give this wig just about 24 inches depending on your height, but it's a very beautiful wig. It also has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. So as you can see, I have the Burgundy Wig, and baby, it is everything. It has lace all around the edges of the wig, and then it also has lace in the part. So you can customize it just a bit. So this is how the wig looks straight out the box. You might can rock it this way, but as for me, I need to do a little bit customization, plucking to make it look good. And as you can see, like I told you, it has the edge lace just to give you that realistic look. And these synthetic wigs, you know, they're coming through, baby. They are. I'm ready to customize it. This is usually how I do it. I go ahead and make my little sections of where I'm going to have my baby hairs laid. And I'm also going to go ahead and pluck that part. But yes, I went ahead and did that. Touched up that sides with a little bit of my slick gel that I put on some of my wigs and mousse. And I also did add my concealer. Now, baby, come on, look at this. This is nothing but fabulosity on a budget. This wig was only $34, and that included the shipping, which I got in 2 days. Honey, where you gonna get that? I hope you all enjoyed this quick video. You know I like to get straight into it with no hesitation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel.